Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Otterbox Defender Pro XT for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And what's cool about the Defender Pro XT is it actually offers more protection than just the standard Otterbox Defender or Defender Pro, and it is MagSafe compatible. So we're going to check this out, and I'm going to put it on the phone because it does install a little bit differently than the other ones do. So like I said, this is a Defender case. It's a little bit thinner than the regular Defender, but it supports MagSafe. So if you use MagSafe accessories, chargers, the wallet, that kind of stuff, you're definitely going to want to check this out. Now, this case does not come with a holster, so if that is one of the things you use on the Otterbox Defender, it does have a option to get a holster, and they do include a code in the box so you can get a free one. You just have to pay shipping and handling. So the case does support the holster. Like I said, you just have to order it off their website and pay shipping and handling. But other than that, you do get the holster for free. So there's two notches right here. You peel off the edge just as you would on most Otterbox cases, but there are no snaps on this one. So it's more of a, instead of having like those three pieces when it's fully separated, you only have two. And then this comes out right here on the front. So there's no big plastic insert. And then what you're going to do is take your phone and put it in there like so. And then put this back just how it was. So you're going to put it on top of the phone and just press down around the edges. So kind of get it up under there. This one is a little bit harder than, nope, it's not harder, it was upside down. So just snap it on in there. Kind of got some of them started. Let me work this around and get it in there, and then I will show you guys the case. It's kind of hard to work around the camera. Give me 1 second. Alright, so I got the case on. Like I said, you just push it around the edges like I was. I just didn't want to have to stand here and hold the phone out over the camera and do the whole thing. So you guys saw the process. You just do that for the whole case. Nothing different. I do have my wallet right here. So we're going to go ahead and test out the MagSafe. Ooh, that sticks good, and your phone still recognizes it as a MagSafe accessory right there. So that is nice. Everything works there, and you can put your MagSafe charger on here. You can also charge it with the Qi wireless charger as well. Works just fine. They don't have a cover over the switch right here, but everything else is covered, and you have your cover right here on the bottom for your charge port, and that is a very easy one to open. It's not very stiff. So it opens and closes very easily. Overall, a very nice case. I like the hard plastic back rather than the rubber. It feels really good in the hand. It's very slim. And like I said, if you want to get a holster for one of these, you can get one on their website with the included code for free. You just have to pay the shipping for that. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.